Good morning, everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action for Thursday morning. We're at the end of the week, folks. Just a couple of days before our long run, which is 20 miles this weekend. So hopefully you guys are keeping up with us. Maybe some of you are actually running and getting ready for the marathon too, and this is giving you some inspiration. So we just finished up 5 miles today. Pretty good run this morning. Pushed ourselves really hard. As you can see, the shirt is soaked already, and actually I took the shirt off because it was just, the humidity here in Las Vegas is just brutal right now. So, anyways, let's talk a little bit today about integrity. Okay, integrity in business and integrity as a person in your personal life. You know, when you're a business person or you're just out in the world, you get a lot of temptations out there, and it's amazing. You get temptations to cheat this way, to cut corners here, maybe to give a false figure here, to cheat on this or something like that. But really, you know what, folks? It's you've got a major decision to make here in your life. Either you can do things the right way, or you can do things the wrong way. Either you can do the things with integrity, or you can do things with not integrity and become part of the pack. Maybe some of you are thinking, what the heck does integrity mean? Well, integrity is the way you act when you're not around people as you when you're with people. Integrity is saying one thing and doing it, as opposed to saying something that to be true and then not doing. That's called being a person with integrity. And as a business person, or somebody who's just having a regular normal life, mom or dad, you want to be a person who says what they say, and you do what you do. Okay, I mean, you do what you say you're going to do, whether somebody's watching you or somebody's not. Let me give you an example right now. I just finished up a client's job just yesterday, and it would have been very easy for me to go ahead and not do what they asked me to do and get away with some of the things and they would have never known. I mean, they really would have never known that I did anything. But there's something inside of me, and I've got we've all got a barometer inside of us, whether it be a personal barometer or whether it be and in my case, it'd be I'm a born-again Christian. And so I believe that what the Bible says is, hey, do things as unto the Lord. So that's what I do. I pretend like God is like right in the room with me, which He is, but that He's watching over my shoulder all the time to see, and I'm doing the job for Him. Okay, how would you like how would you like to represent yourself? And this goes a little bit further than just being a person of integrity. It really has to do with your brand. Okay, many people remember Macy's and they remember all these older companies. Well, they were built upon certain core principles or mottos. The customer's always right. Give them what they want. Do the best that you can be. That kind of thing. Burger King is have it your way. That kind of thing. And what they really mean is, guess what? You are the most important person there, and I want to treat you like the most important person. And that's what you should do in your life or in your business. You ought to treat that other person like they're the most important person. Give them what they want, okay? And that's really what's important, okay? Anyways, hey, this has been Sherman Ray. This has been Leadership in Action. If you like what you heard today, I'd like you to go to my website, which is www.shermanray.com, or you can go to redlettermedia.net. Hey, getting ready to go off to our networking meeting this morning. We've got a special guest speaker this morning, and also I'm going to share with them a little bit more about our website, which is going to be launching here pretty quick. It's diversitynetworkinggroup.com. It's right. It's going to be an outrageous site, folks. So, if you get a chance to look at it in the next couple of days, I really encourage you to. It's just a social media mess. Anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.